As the train glides smoothly along the tracks, I can feel the gentle sway, a rhythm that syncs perfectly with the breathtaking landscape outside. The mountains rise majestically, their peaks kissed by the clouds, creating a stunning backdrop that seems to whisper stories of ancient times. Each curve of the track reveals a new vista, a tapestry of greens and browns, dotted with wildflowers that dance in the breeze. I watch as the sunlight filters through the trees, casting playful shadows on the ground. It's a reminder of how nature and travel intertwine, inviting us to explore and embrace the journey. The sound of the train's whistle harmonizes with the rustling leaves, a soothing melody that enhances this moment of tranquility. Every mile brings a sense of adventure, a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Here, in this serene setting, I find peace, knowing that the journey is just as beautiful as the destination.